Hello everyone, today we are seeing how to grow microgreens at home. So for this we'll need the fruit box that we get from the grocery store, and this is a hemp grow mat that I have. These are some basic salad mix seeds that I'll be using today. You just have to randomly spread the seeds on the grow mat such that they are not crowded at any one place and they're equally distributed. We are growing the microgreens today in a no soil medium, but if you have access to soil, you can grow them in soil too. I've taken a tray here and I'll be adding water so that the grow mat becomes wet enough and the seeds also get the moisture. These hemp grow mats are very good in that way because they help to absorb the necessary moisture and retain the water so that the seeds get the necessary water they need for germination. And that's it. So we just have to keep it covered in a dark place for 2 to 3 days. So this is on day 2. The seeds have already started to germinate. I prefer to keep it in a dark place for the first few days because that helps the stems of the microgreens to come out more taller and stronger. But you could also keep them outside. This is on day 3 where you can see the root hairs already starting to grow. And on day 6, the microgreens are ready to harvest. Microgreens are basically the stage between the sprouts and the baby greens. They're highly nutritious and they have a nice flavor and they add a lot of color to your dish. Few things to keep in mind are: do not add too much water to the grow mat so that you don't have mold or any fungus growing in it. Just add enough water so that it is moist enough and the microgreens get the necessary moisture needed to grow. For the first 2 days, you would keep the box in a dark place, and from the 3rd day, you can move them to a kitchen window where you get some sun. And the best part about growing microgreens hydroponically is there is no dirt or soil sticking to the leaves. You're ready to harvest. You can just take the scissors, trim the microgreens and add them to your meals, sandwiches, burgers, salads, smoothies, anything. Enjoy, stay healthy, be happy.